What's up guys, Kalina here, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing my Boxyluxe unboxing for the month of December. If you don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a monthly beauty subscription box that is $21 a month. But seasonally, they just started doing Boxyluxe, which is the regular box plus some more for $50 a month. And it started in September, so this is the second box. So I'm going to be unboxing this with you today. You can just open it right on up. This box is freaking huge. So right on top is the card that you get every month. The theme this month is "'Tis the Season," like season, but sea sun. And then the first thing right on top of the box is a mini hair straightener, and I did get to choose this month because for December they let you customize your box. So it is a mini hair straightener from the brand PYT. I got the green one, and this retails for, where is it? This retails for $75. I need to touch up my own hair right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and plug this in and then straighten my hair on camera for you guys. Okay, so I plugged it in, it's heating up. There's not settings on it, there's just an on and off switch, but it does say it gets up to 400 degrees, which is basically what I always straighten my hair up because my hair is so thick and long, so I always turn my straightener up to the highest heat setting. So let's see if it's not quite high, so I'm just gonna let it do its thing and heat up. But the next thing in the box that I see is a brush set from Luxie. I love Luxie brushes. We've gotten them in BoxyCharm boxes in the past. So this is a complete face set. And this is the rose gold set, which I think is like their normal one. But it comes with 8 different brushes, and this retails for $65. So they're cruelty free as well, so I'm gonna use these to do my face today. So while oh my goodness, I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some foundation just as a base, and then we'll use some brushes for everything else in the face. Alright, so base is on and my straightener is heated up now. It's really hot, but I'm just gonna touch up my hair real quick. It does a good job. I like it. I don't know if I could do my whole head with it because I have so much hair and my hair is extremely thick. But I think it's good to like just bring just in case. I mean, it's a mini hair straightener, so I think that's the purpose. But yeah, I think I'm definitely gonna use this more to like touch up my hair. I'll probably bring it with me just in my bag if I need it. If my hair is straight like this. But yeah, I like it. Okay, so I went ahead and contoured my face because of the next guy in the box. So this is the Wander Beauty Wondrous Dusk to Dawn palette. It's a blush and highlighter palette. There's 2 blush shades and a highlight shade as well, and this retails for $26. So I'm gonna use this on my face today with the Luxie brushes. So I'm just gonna just dip into both shades, I guess. Apply some blush. It's kind of light. Not the most pigmented blush, but you can build it up. Alright, so we brought you in a little bit for the highlighter. So the blush shades are called Tuscan Sunrise, Havana Nights, and the highlight shade is called City Limits. I'm going to take my R31 brush from Morphe and apply the highlight to all the high points of my face. Okay, so next up in the box is this guy. This is the Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer in Blossom Bliss. Now, when I first opened the box, I smelled this because it's so strong. But this reminds me of Sweet Pea from like Bath & Body Works. Just a little bit more sugary. And it's really like nostalgic because that was like the first scent I got from Bath & Body Works when I was like 10 or 11. But it smells really good, so I can't wait to use this in the shower. But yeah, so this we got in the box, and this retails for $20. And then next up in the box is this. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is an anti-wrinkle day cream. I did use this today as my moisturizer. And it's very hydrating and smoothing as well. Packaging just looks like this, but this retails for $89. Next in the box, I was very excited when I saw that this was going to be in the box this month, but this is an eyeshadow palette from Violet Voss, hashtag my holy grail. It's vegan, cruelty-free formula, and this also retails for, oh my gosh, I'm gonna drop it, okay. This retails for $45. So I'm gonna use the Luxie brush we got today, so my older Luxie brushes with this today. I'm just gonna speed through it because my eyeshadow always takes forever, but these are the shades in the palette. Is a mascara, and this is from Lorac, I don't know, but it's a two-sided mascara. So it says this is the Royal Treatment Mascara. One side is a primer and one side is a mascara. I can't use regular mascara, I only have to use waterproof mascara. Regular mascara does nothing for me. So I'm gonna not use this. I'm gonna give it to a friend for Christmas, but this retails for $24. Alright, so off camera I quickly did my eyebrows, my lashes, and I threw on a lip because the next product in the box is a Tardiest shimmering lip paint. This is in the color Flaming Hot. It looks just like this. It's like a pink with like blue glitters in it. Let's see what this says about it. So it is a glitter lip paint and it retails for $20. So I'm just gonna apply that over top of my lipstick. Alright, so the last thing in the box is a little bag. This is from the brand Crimes of Beauty. And there's a wristlet and a portable charger. I didn't know none of that. So it says Glam AF on the front. And then inside is a portable charger, I guess. There's like little pockets inside and like one of those little poison things. But it comes with a portable charger. I don't know if I can use this because I don't have an iPhone. Oh, okay. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so I have a Galaxy S9 Plus. This is my puppy on the back. But you just pull it out and you push it in here and it comes out. So I can use this. So it says Crimes of Beauty right on there. It comes with this little card on it. And then there's like an extra thing that I just dropped that you can charge it with. This bag and charger retail for $22. Alright, so that completes everything for this month's box. I added everything together and it all came to $386, but you only pay $50. So what do you think? Do you think the upgrade's worth it? I liked a lot of the products in the box. Some of them you can gift away if you like, if you don't like them. But yeah, I really liked this month's box. If you don't know what Boxyluxe is, I will link them down below so you can check them out. But yeah, that is it for today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you did like it and subscribe if you haven't already. But I will see you in my next video. Bye!